All right, we are on video number 3. If you have seen the two before, we've created a gradient background. We've added a title with word art. And I'm going to go back because I just do not like the color of that text. I just think it's hard on your eyes. So I'm going to go in and change that blue. I think we'll just make it white, and I think that makes it a little bit easier to see. Now we're going to talk about bringing images in. So most of you already know this. We're going to go to Insert, Image, and we're going to search the web. When you are in Google Slides and you do a search, it's automatically going to do your search within the images that you can use. So I'm going to try digital privacy and see what comes up. And now I want clip art. And I'm going to add in PNG, ping, so it has a transparent background when I bring it in. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this little one over and let's see if it actually comes in as a ping. Yes, it does. And I could use that image for bots, the things that you're going to learn about in digital citizenship. I'm going to leave that there for right now. And let's see if we can find something here for digital privacy. I'm going to go ahead and grab this one because this one reminds me of phishing that takes place. And once again, hopefully you're going to be talking about phishing in your project. Now that's an okay image, but what I want to do is add a little pizzazz to that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to crop it to a particular shape. I have highlighted it. I'm going to go to the cropping tool and I'm going to go to the right of that, the down arrow, and click on Mask Image. And I'm going to give it a little bit nicer shape. It's not quite so sharp around there. And I could add a border around there if I want to because it kind of gets lost in that. And I'm going to go with the dark blue. Yeah, I think that looks a little bit better. So I could use that for one of my sections that I'm going to be doing. As you're moving it around, please be aware of your alignment tools that Google offers for centering, for lining up with your text, lining up with an image below. So that's how I can take an image and I can change the shape. Let's try just a couple more here. Image, search from web, and see if there's any more I like down here. I really don't see anything I like. So for digital citizenship, I'm going to put in cyberbullying, because hopefully you've learned about being a bystander, upstander. So I'm going to go ahead and bring in, this one might fit the bill, might not. So I'm going to go ahead and drag that down, make it smaller. But again, I want to make my images more interesting. So I'm going to go up here to the cropping tool, mask image, and I'm going to pick a different shape for it to be in. I could go with a straight circle. I want to click off of it. Doesn't that make it look better? I think it does because it's more than just the square ones that we have here. Don't forget, you can take at the top, you can rotate and rotate as you need to as well. All right, so what we've done today, we've gone in and we've looked at insert, image, search the web, and that's where we'll find images that we can legally use. We've gone in and we've done a search on the web, and then we figured out how we can bring something in and we can size it, which hopefully you all already know. But then I can go ahead and use the mask image next to the crop. And I'm probably going to choose a really poor choice here, but I guess not too bad. And I can resize that as I see fit, and I can add a border around that to give it a little bit more oomph. Doesn't have to be real big. All right, so have fun with that part. We'll come back to this guy later. Okay, thank you.